Tired of wrestling with installations just to learn Bash scripting? Today, I'm showing you a super simple way to jump into Bash scripting without touching an Ubuntu install using a popular tool called Docker. This is the perfect recipe for anyone who wants to learn Bash quickly and easily. Forget tedious setup processes. We're creating a contained environment to practice and experiment, skipping the hassle of setting up a full Ubuntu system. Docker lets us build self-contained containers that run like tiny virtual machines. First, make sure Docker is installed on your system. The installation steps vary based on your operating system, so check the Docker documentation for specifics. Next, we're going to find a pre-built Ubuntu image on a service called Docker Hub, which is a public repository for Docker images. Search for Ubuntu and pick a recent, stable release. Pull the Ubuntu image. This command downloads the image to your system. Then, we'll run the image to start a container. Now, create a container. This is where the magic happens. Run an interactive session inside the container using the terminal. This brings you to a Bash shell. Type your commands and experiment with different scripts. Write, save, and execute simple Bash scripts, test commands, and see your scripts in action. You can run your scripts as if you were on a fresh Ubuntu installation without the mess of actual installation. Once you are done testing, you can easily stop the container, delete it, and start over. This will make it easier for you to master Bash scripting. Happy scripting!